happy people? I'm back with another video and welcome to day 2 of my 12 days of Swatchmas series. In this series, I'm going to be swatching out all of the gel polishes and acrylics that I have in my entire collection. I hope you all are enjoying this series so far, but today I'm going to be reviewing one of my favorite gel polish kits that I got from Beetles. It's actually one of my very first gel polish kits that I got from Beetles. It came with nail art tools and different supplies. It's a really good basic starter kit for those who are just getting into nails. So sit back, relax, and stay tuned to day 2 of my 12 days of Swatchmas. And today I'm going to be reviewing one of my all-time favorite Beetles gel polish kits. This was actually one of my very first Beetles gel polish kits that I purchased from Amazon, and they did have it on sale for 10 bucks. I did list this item in my Amazon storefront as well as on my YouTube community tab, so definitely make sure you guys are checking those areas frequently because I always post some amazing deals that I find on Amazon. So yeah, you guys, this here is the Perfect 8 gel polish kit from Beetles. This was one of my very first Beetles kits, and I've actually used these colors in here time and time again, and they're tried and true. So I wanted to unbox the new kit that I got because I'm running low on a lot of those original polishes that I bought. So again, it's 8 gel polishes. It's a 7.3 ml bottle, and I love the packaging for Beetles. It's really cute, really festive. On the side here, it kind of just gives you more information about how to use it. On the back, directions, ingredients, storage, and tips here. And then on the back, it talks about the polishes. They're low odor, non-toxin free, safe for skin, natural resin. You guys know I use Beetles. Beetles is bae for me, okay? If y'all new to the channel, Beetles is bae for me. So let me unbox this and show you guys what's included. Okay, so in this kit, we have a couple of different items. This is why this is one of my favorite gel kits from Beetles, if I'm being honest. I really like this kit a lot. It's very practical, especially for beginners. So here's the application, you guys. Here's the application guide, user manual. You guys definitely want to make sure anytime you get kits or new products in, you want to make sure every time you get kits or new products in that you guys are going through, taking your time and reading it. But it shows you how to properly apply and remove the gel nails, the gel polishes. Next, it comes with some French tip guides, which is really awesome if you guys struggle with doing French tip nails. You just apply the sticker, paint the white tip, and then you got your perfect French tips. So you got these. It also came with some striping tapes. It came with 3 different striping tapes. It came with gold, silver, and rose gold. So I love that you get just a lot of different basic nail art tools or nail art items to be able to do your nails. So this here again is the striping tape. This one here is the gold one. This one here is the silver one. And this one here is the rose gold one. So you can do a lot of cool nail art designs with these. It also comes with some gold foil flakes. I absolutely love these gold foil flakes. I still use my original container that I got of these to this day, and a little goes a long way. So it comes with gold foil flakes. It also comes with some nail art tools, you guys. Okay, so with this one, it comes with, let's see, it comes with three tools here. Let's see if I can open this up. Okay. So the first one that it comes with is, let me see which one. Okay. So the first brush that it comes with is just a liner brush, and this is going to be great for when you want to do some nail art. Having a fine tipped tool here is really useful. It comes with a gel brush. This is a brush that I actually had started using for when I mix my gel polishes and glitters together. So this is a really nice gel brush that they include in the kit. Last but not least, it comes with a dotting tool. So it has a really small dot on this side, and then a little bit slightly bigger dot on this side. And what's crazy is that I actually still use this dotting tool to this day. This is my original one. This mug is tried and true. I've used it forever and a day, and it still works. I've had this for almost 2 years now. So yeah, this is the dotting tool that comes in the kit. And again, you guys, I was really excited to see this kit on sale because, like I said, it was like my first one, so a little bit of nostalgia came up for me. But then also, it's a really practical kit that has a lot of great staple colors that you'll reach for all the time. So that is that. We'll go ahead and get these colors out, and then we'll take a closer look. Okay, so these are all the colors that are included in the kit. It is 8 gel polishes total. Let me give you guys up closes of them. The first color here is 941, and this here is a really beautiful white. I do think that the white from Beetles is really nice. You do have to go in with 2 coats of it though, but it is a really nice white to have in your collection. I used to use it for doing nail art all the time. 941. Ooh, this is a really beautiful brown. It's just a nice, beautiful nude brown color. I love it, kind of like a latte brown. 942. This one here is just a slightly deeper brown than the one that I just showed. It's definitely giving mauve undertones to it. 943. Ooh, and this is a really beautiful kind of purpley mauve color. Really like this a lot. 944. Ooh, look at this, you all. This is a beautiful, beautiful chocolate brown color. Absolutely love this color. Really beautiful. This is really pretty. 945. This here is the black from Beetles, and I actually really like their black as well. It's not super opaque, but definitely with 2 coats of coverage. But definitely with 2 coats, you'll get some nice full opaque coverage. 946. Ooh, this is a really beautiful gold. Absolutely love the gold from Beetles. I reach for it a lot when I'm doing nail art. 947. Ooh, this is a really beautiful, kind of a champagne gold color. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these colors swatched out. 940. Yeah, you guys, I love Beetles polishes. You guys see how creamy, easy, and smooth they apply? Look at that, just beautiful. And actually the white is pretty opaque. It's more opaque than what I remember. So yeah, that's really nice. 941. Oh, this is such a pretty brown. Yeah, I love this color. Yeah, the Beetles polishes are really easy to work with, and oh my god, I just love them so much. Really great price point on them too. Again, this kit was only 10 bucks, you guys. If it's still available, I'm gonna link it down in the description box below. I did also see it available on Walmart, so I'll link it, I'll leave that as well. But look at that brown, super pretty. 942. Nine, 4, 3. 944. Ooh, I really like this brown a lot. Really nice chocolatey brown. Nine, 4, 5. This is that black from Beetles. Okay. Like I said, it's not super opaque, but it's not bad for black, you know? And definitely when you get in with that second coat, well, honestly, the first coat looked pretty good too. Okay, it's more opaque than I remember, y'all. Look at that. Oh, that's 1 coat coverage, okay? Honestly, I misspoke, you guys. That black is 1 coat coverage. Look at that. Yeah, that's nice. 946. Ooh, that's a pretty gold. I like that. How cute is this? I love it. That's super cute. Look at that, pretty. 947. Very beautiful. Alrighty, so this is what the whole collection is looking like. Swatched out. This is 2 coats of gel polish and a top coat. I'm going to give you guys up close on what they all are looking like. So this here is 940, and like I said, it is a really beautiful white. It looks nice and pure. It doesn't yellow. So that's really nice. 941, and it's a really nice latte brown. I love this brown. I actually use this in a set. I am going to leave this the picture of the set here in the corner, but I used this to do some Black History Month nails a couple years back, and this is a really beautiful nude. It just looks really nice on the nail bed. Really gorgeous color. So that is 941. 942, which is a really beautiful kind of brownie mauve color, really pretty. 943, which is a purpley mauve color. 944, which is a really gorgeous chocolate brown. 945, which is black. I really do like the black from Beetles. It's really nice and opaque, especially after 2 coats. 946, which is a really beautiful gold glitter. I use this a lot for different nail art. It's gorgeous. And 947, which is kind of like a silver glitter, but it's also giving me champagne vibes. It's really gorgeous, really beautiful for like a New Year's set, really festive nails. So yeah, you guys, this is everything that was included in this Beetles gel polish kit. I definitely think it's well worth it. Like I said, when I originally bought this kit, I paid $20 for it, and that was a couple years back. And when I recently purchased it, it was only $9.99. So really great. So really great price for all the items that you have included. You got a really beautiful array of nudes, definitely colors you'll be using, the whites, the blacks, the browns, the gold glitters. All those colors are colors you'll use on a regular basis, as I have with this kit. It does come with the liner brush, dotting tool, and a gel brush, foils, striping tape, French tip guides. I mean, this is a really awesome deal for the price, and Beetles is bae for me, y'all. So highly recommend this. I am going to leave this link down in the description box below. I did also find this available on walmart.com, so I'm going to leave it linked from both websites in case you guys want to get your hands on it. You guys know I love Beetles products, highly recommended, and this is one of my all-time favorite kits because it was really one of my first kits from when I got into doing nails. So yeah, I have swatched other Beetle gel polish collections, like their 15 ml collections. They have 3 of them, so I will leave links to all those videos as well. And I do have more swatch videos for my Beetles gel polishes. I have a pretty extensive collection, so I want to get it all swatched out for you guys so you can see the wide array of collections and colors that Beetles offers, as well as show you guys how awesome the quality is of their products, because I love them. So yeah, I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope y'all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye.